So this will be lesson about how to learn dancing in the most efficient way. So first, of course, we always divide our dancing on what we dance and then how we dance. So for example, if you would like to learn a rumba, for example, international Latin. So first you want to learn a basic walk of rumba, which in this case will be backward, replace forward, then side step. Forward, replace backward, side step. So this is what you do. This is the basic walk of this dance. But then the second question is you have to focus on how you dance. So first, of course, when you learn anything, you will have to learn the leg positions on the floor, where your feet should land. The geometry of the step, that will be, of course, number one priority. But then if you want to really enjoy and feel the dance, you have to start more focusing on how you dance. And how you dance is certain secrets, priorities you should always have in your head. That's what you're practicing. So I'll give you a few things which I actually keep in my head. So the movement is more interesting, more beautiful, more connected. So number one, we may say it is a golden rule, would be move your body first and leg after. So move your body first, leg after. So always go body, then leg, body, then leg, body, then leg. So in this case, you can even on this step start practicing that. Instead of just going back forward, you're going to learn to drift your body somewhere, ideally forward, or into the direction you'd like to go, and then move. Move your body, then move your step. Move your body, like for example, if I would like to go to the side, already here, I'll start directing all my frame, all my body there, and then the leg follow. So body, then leg, body, then leg, body, then leg. So then, for example, if I'm learning a new dance, which is cha-cha-cha, first I learn a basic step, which is a rock step back or back replace. And then you have triple step side, and then you have rock, step, triple step side. Then I have to apply exactly the same golden rule. Instead of simply just going forever doing the same step, I want to introduce some secrets in it. And one of the secret could be a golden rule of the body move first, then leg after. Of course, when you move back, you don't want to move your body back, so you're going to drift your body forward, then the leg. Body and leg, body and leg. And now we have triple steps, so make sure travel your body first, then leg will follow. Body, leg, cha, cha, cha. 2 and 3 and a cha, cha, cha. So this will be a very good way to start thinking about the dance. So first you, of course, have to identify what you dance, learn the basic step, maybe another version of the step, or how you dance, let's say in a partnering connection, but then start applying this rule. So what the second rule you could do? The second rule is you have to always use opposite leg for the working leg to go through. What it means? So for example, if I want to close this leg into this position, ideal, of course, if you learn what you dance, the movement is this. But now how you dance, now you have to use the secret that the standing leg always guiding and controlling the free leg. So now you have to somehow in your head connect this leg to this leg and use the rotation of the thigh to bring this leg in. Use this leg to bring this leg in. Try the same on the other leg. Use this leg to bring this leg in. Use this leg. So now, for example, our step, which we learned a basic rumba step, which was like a backward, forward, and then side. Now we use our golden rule where we're using our spine, body going first, leg after. And then we're using that the standing leg always controls the moving, the working leg, the free leg. So for example, here, if I want this leg to go backward, I will use that standing leg to guide it through and then only move this leg. Now I want this leg to go forward, so I use my standing leg together with the spine drift to move. Now, for example, I want this leg to go there, I will use my standing leg to guide and control this leg. So the movement is going to look much more interesting, much more connected. So 2 golden rules. Body move first, leg goes after, and then free leg is being controlled by the standing leg always. Enjoy.